Okay, I got discombobulated there, had to start again. But here's the video of 3 trains I filmed this past fall of 2022 from when I was in Harper's Ferry area. Since there were 3 little separate videos, I decided to download and re-upload just one longer video. You got the long freight train, which I think that freight train's the one I saved my old YouTube and managed to get on the current YouTube. But so I added it to the 2 trains I filmed last year when I was up there in Virginia. So one's the second train's the intermodal freight. The 3rd train was the super sight for me because of the really long Norfolk Southern freight train with mid-train DPUs, and it was the first time I ever filmed a train crossing the rail diamond. Of course, I did spend a little bit of time in Fostoria, Ohio, and Marietta, Ohio, a few months ago. But that one particular one in outside Harper's Ferry, Charlestown, was the first time I ever got to film a rail diamond, so that was exciting. I enjoyed the video. I'm not going to make it back where I want to make it to film. Not the best view, but the best I can do is for the moment. Great trail if you're a rail fan, feet away was the perfect spot to film. As a jellyfish. No mid-train DPU this time, just to end the train one. I'm not sure why they do that here. All the trains here seem to have one, most of the trains here seem to have one at the end. The train is here. I'm not sure what town this is. I know it's here in Maryland. I think Sandy Hook, but I'm not 100% sure. Yeah, this is Sandy Hook. I would love to film this going through the tunnel, but I'm too far away from the tunnel. Oh well. And here comes the DPU. is, I'm gonna get back on the trail. I probably look weird standing here. Single track containers. Okay, that sounds weird. I don't get those very often down New River Gorge. Alright, here comes a train, but check out this awesome rail diamond that I discovered just a few city blocks from the hotel. It's amazing. I've never filmed something like this before. I've never been that lucky. There's the one down the street. There's the one that, yeah, I saw it drive from my house, like a 30-minute drive from my house. I hadn't seen a train in 10 years. Okay, this is walking away. There's a good catch. I'm gonna see the signal's line for the CSX rock train. If it's not, then we'll head back to the hotel and get everything packed. So I do gotta leave. But now that's awesome. In the words of Zolters, is that awesome or what? First time in my life filming a train cross the rail diamond. Oh, by the way, this will be a very rare opportunity for me because where I live, you just don't have active rail diamonds like this. They're not very common. I only know of one, and it's a bandit. Although I do know where a few more used to be, which I could probably point that out in some of my videos, because down the street from my house in Mount Hope, there used to be a few more, at least 2 more rail diamonds that was removed in the 1950s. Don't see what the signal over here looks like to see if it's line for that rock train, which should be coming soon. Actually, I'll probably go ahead. I may not stick around for that because that one will be crossing the bridge in Harper's Ferry. So instead of sticking around here to see that one, I'll probably go to Harper's Ferry and be able to cross that trestle.